is Chantel from WTI. When we were remodeling our kitchen, I did a lot of research on different brands and types of sinks, and I'm so happy we went with this Undermount stainless steel sink by Kraus. We've had this sink for about 2 years and it has held up beautifully. I decided to go with a matte black drain assembly from a different company, but it came with this stainless steel drain that I can install when I get tired of the black. I absolutely love how deep the sink is. There's so much room to wash my pans and it holds so many dishes. I was worried about not having a double bowl like I had previously, but I purchased this rolling drying rack from Kraus that fits right over the sink. This protective bottom grid is great. It has rubber feet and keeps the bottom from getting scratched up. It's really easy to clean. I just spray it down with my dish soap and use a scrub brush to get off any food that occasionally gets stuck. And every couple of months, I use a toothbrush to give the bottom grid a heavy-duty clean. Because of the depth of the sink, it can be full of dishes, but you won't be able to see them, which is a huge plus for me. I'm loving my purchases from Kraus, and that's my point of view.